Have you ever felt exhausted, even after a full night's sleep? Or noticed sudden weight gain, headaches, or stomach problems with no clear reason? You might be dealing with something silent, something that's quietly affecting your body every single day. That silent force is stress. According to doctors at the Mayo Clinic, chronic stress isn't just a mental issue, it's a full-body reaction. When stress lingers, your body stays stuck in fight or flight mode. Your adrenal glands release cortisol, the stress hormone. Short bursts of cortisol are fine, they keep you alert. But when levels stay high for weeks or months, it starts to wear you down. Dr. Fact: studies show that chronic stress increases blood sugar, weakens the immune system, and even changes how your brain functions. High cortisol makes it harder to lose weight, disturbs sleep, and can raise your blood pressure. In other words, stress quietly rewires your health from the inside. But here's the good news. You can calm your body naturally. One of the simplest natural remedies to lower stress is a chamomile and ashwagandha tea blend. And chamomile helps reduce anxiety and improve sleep quality. Ashwagandha, an ancient adaptogenic herb, helps balance cortisol levels and support your nervous system. Many doctors recommend drinking this tea once a day to restore calm and reduce fatigue naturally. To make it, boil 1 cup of water, add a chamomile tea bag, and half a teaspoon of ashwagandha powder. Let it steep for 5 minutes, then sip slowly while breathing deeply. It's a simple, peaceful way to help your body reset. If you'd like extra support, check out the supplement link in the video description. It's specially formulated to help lower stress hormones and boost focus naturally. It can be a great addition to your daily wellness routine. Remember, your mind and body are connected. Ignoring stress doesn't make it disappear, it just makes your body carry the burden quietly. Start taking small steps today to give your body the peace it deserves. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below for natural stress relief support. Take care of yourself, calmly, naturally, and consistently.